the face I can't forget, a trace of pleasure or regret, maybe my treasure or the price I have to pay. She may be the song that summer sings, maybe the chill that autumn brings, maybe 100 different things within the measure of a day. She may be the beauty or the beast, may be the famine or the feast, may turn each day into a heaven or a hell. She may be the mirror of my dream, a smile reflected in a stream. She may not be what she may seem inside her shell. She who always seems so happy in a crowd, whose eyes can be so private and so proud, no one's allowed to see them when they cry. She may be the love that cannot hope to last, may come to me from shadows of the past, that I'll remember till the day I die. She may be the reason I survive, the why, the wherefore I'm alive, the one I'll care for through the rough and rainy years. Me, I'll take her laughter and her tears and make them all my souvenirs, for where she goes I've got to be.
Okay, Oscar.
The meaning of my life.
Kamusta ka, Flore? Ano, magpalakas kayo dyan at makauwi ka agad para tayo magkita-kita. Oh, happy birthday pala. Happy birthday pala. Oh.
Oh, yun na.
Happy birthday!
O, batiin nyo na lang. Huwag na kayo kumanta.
Happy birthday! Hello!
Hi!
Happy birthday! Nagano ka naman? Ang gusto.
Dali, Eliza.
Happy birthday po, Mama. I wish you all the best and get well soon. Sana makauwi dito sa Pilipinas.
Pagaling ka.
We love you all. Bye-bye.
Isang kaway-kaway naman.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yung vlog ko sa amin.
Get well soon.
Get well soon. Pagaling ka. Pagaling ka. Teka namin.
Umuwi ka.
Namimiss ka na namin yung Bell.
Bakasyon ka.
Makagala tayo. Overnight tayo sa Tagaytay,
Wala
ah.
ka ng ganyan. Wala na.
Sige, kailan ba, ah? Uwi na yan. Magaling na ba? Sa Tagaytay tayo. Meron ka tabing bahay doon. Pwede ka mag-overnight na doon.
Tricycle lang. Okay.
Ang lapit. Natin!
Okay, salita ka na.
Hello, Flore. Kami magpagaling na dyan. Huwag mo kaming alalahanin dito. Ayaw mo na sarili mo dyan. Para makabalik ka kagad dito sa Pilipinas. Ha? Alagaan mo sarili mo. Ikaw na yung walang pag-asa. Sisigawan ka na. Sisigawan ka na.